Episode 2, The Copycat Crisis. With his renewed commitment to quality, OpsiB felt more confident in his affiliate marketing efforts. He had begun to understand the products he promoted, and his audience appreciated his honest reviews. However, his next challenge came from a different direction, standing out in a crowded market. Opsi was about to learn the importance of originality in promotional efforts. Opsi was excited about an upcoming product launch that had the affiliate community buzzing. The product creator provided a promotional kit that included email templates, social media posts, and banner ads. Seeing the ready-made content, Opsi felt relieved. It would save him time and effort, and he assumed the provided copy would be effective. On the day of the launch, Opsi used the provided email template and sent it out to his list. He also posted the pre-written social media content. However, as the day went on, he noticed that his email open rates were low and the engagement on his social media posts was minimal. Feeling frustrated and confused, Opsi decided to check his inbox. What he saw shocked him. His inbox was flooded with emails from other affiliates promoting the same product using the exact same template. The subject lines, the body text, everything was identical. It was no wonder his email had gone unnoticed. Feeling disheartened, Opsi decided to call Jay for advice. Jay, I used the promotional copy provided by the product creator, but it seems like everyone else did the same. My email got lost in the crowd, and I didn't get any traction. What did I do wrong? Jay's response was practical and insightful. Opsi, using the provided promotional materials can be a starting point, but it's crucial to add your own voice and perspective. Your audience wants to hear from you, not just a generic message. Originality helps you stand out and build trust. Take the time to personalize your promotional content and make it unique. Determined to improve his approach, Opsi decided to craft his own promotional copy for the next product launch. He started by writing a personalized email, sharing his thoughts on the product and how it could benefit his subscribers. He also created original social media posts, adding his own insights and personality. Opsi's email to his subscribers read, "Hi everyone, I'm excited to share a new tool that I've been testing over the past week. It's called Affiliate Marketing Hustle, and it has some fantastic features that I think you'll find incredibly useful. One thing I love about this tool is how it simplifies specific tasks. I've seen a noticeable improvement in result. I'll be sharing a detailed review on my blog soon, but I wanted to give you a heads up because the launch offers some great bonuses. Check it out, link, and let me know what you think. Best, Opsi." To his surprise, the response was overwhelmingly positive. His email open rates improved and engagement on social media increased significantly. Subscribers appreciated the personalized touch and valued his unique perspective. One evening, Opsi received an email from a loyal subscriber named Lisa. "Hi Opsi, thank you for the personalized email about Affiliate Marketing Hustle. Your insights were very helpful, and I decided to give it a try based on your recommendation. It's great to see an affiliate who takes the time to provide value. Keep up the amazing work. Best, Lisa." Reflecting on the experience, Opsi realized the importance of originality in affiliate marketing. By crafting his own promotional copy and adding a personal touch, he had managed to stand out in a crowded market and build a stronger connection with his audience. As he celebrated this success, Opsi knew that the journey was far from over. The affiliate marketing quest continued, and there were many more lessons to learn. With a renewed focus on originality and personalization, Opsi was ready to tackle the next challenge.